2008 Mazda 5. I believe this is the 2.3 liter. What I'm doing here today is replacing the temp sensor right here. This little guy right here. Apparently it's causing the car to overheat and act funky and everything. So this is common for these cars, for this to go bad. On this particular model, it's located, let me put the light on. On this particular model, it's located, I don't know if the camera's gonna pick up on it. See a little gray plug right there? I already unplugged it, but that's it right there. This is the front of the car. Obviously you gotta remove this right here. I already did already. Just to give you an idea more of what to do, what to expect. So it's right here. And it's that little guy right there. That little guy right there. That's it right there. That's the plug right there. Again, it's in the, looking at the car from the front, it's gonna be on the right and the back, just in front of this dipstick right here, just below this coolant tube down there. I don't know if you can make out right there, but it's gonna be in the back right side if you're looking at the car from the front. Again, this is the 2008 Mazda 6. This is a 2.3 liter, I believe. I'm sure it is. And that's the location, is right back here. For this particular sensor, you're gonna need a 19 socket. As you can see, goes right in. Goes in perfectly. All right, so I'm gonna get popping on this real quick.